Alright guys, welcome back to the Roll and Grill Barbecue. Hey, we're taking a little trip today, a little road trip, baby. Yes, we are. We're going to my good buddy Michael Characters restaurant, Characters Famous BBQ, man, here in Adairsville, Georgia. And let me tell you something. It's non-stop comedy when you go visit Michael, man. Good food, but he's an even better guy, man. So y'all stay tuned. We're gonna have a good time today at Characters Famous BBQ. Yeah, boy! Alright, when we turn up at the Characters, you can tell as soon as he opened up that door, he keep a line in here now. As soon as that door swing open, they coming. Characters Famous BBQ. Right here in Adairsville, Georgia. There it is, y'all. Characters Famous BBQ. I don't know if you can see old Nelly in the back right there. Let's go in there and see what old Michael got cooking up. Hey. There he is. Look at him. There they go. Oh, there he is. There he is right there. What's up, boy? What y'all out here watching, man? Look at him. Y'all see how them boys get down in here?
That's the one over. Yeah, we got a pound of pork. Another pound of pork. Pound of chicken. Pound of beef. Yeah, 3 coleslaw.
It's a train running in here, man. Them boy got a train running in here, man.
We ain't gonna be here long today.
Look at that chicken and that pork. Look at that, y'all. Look at that. That's pork beef, and that's pork. Look at that beef right there. Look at them burnt ends right there. That's where you get that burnt end from, right there. That's the point right there, baby.
Point right there.
Yes, sir. Pork and beef, man. If your barbecue restaurant ain't cleaning your pork like that, you eat at the wrong barbecue restaurant. You got to clean that pork. See how they clean that pork? Yes, sir.
You gotta clean like you about to eat this shit.
Yes, sir.
That's all lean in there, boy. That money muscle that broke up in there.
That's how you gotta do it.
Most of them chop it up, man.
Yeah, they chop everything in there. All the fat, all the gristle.
Yeah, you can't do that, man.
You gotta clean that pork.
You ain't gonna live long doing that. I need my customers living.
See how you pulling that off of there? That's what you gotta do right there.
All eating that little shit.
You got to clean it.
But you gotta cook it soft enough to do it.
Yeah, it is right there.
Everybody can do it. If you don't cook it right, you ain't gonna be able to pull it off. That's why they chop it up.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Look at that meat right there, y'all. Let's zoom in on that thing. Look at that thing right there. Gotta clean that pork, man. All y'all out there just throwing that pork butter in that pan and not cleaning the shame on it.
No.
You got to clean that pork butter as you're chopping it up.
Yeah, I don't give it all that. You know, if we got a little scar on the bottom, I don't give it that. Some folks might like it like that, but I don't do it like that. I like to give them all fresh. This pink shit.
Y'all heard it here fresh, live from Characters himself. Characters Famous BBQ. That's that famous Michael Characters pulled pork sandwich right there. You see that? If your pork sandwich don't hang over, if your pork sandwich flat, you ain't got enough meat in it. That's that famous Michael Characters pork sandwich right there, baby. Y'all better come on down to Adairsville, Georgia and get you one of them. That's how your pork sandwich supposed to look. that character. That's real barbecue. Don't let that competition shit fool you.
Same deal, are you missing too many athletes?
All right, y'all, let's go over here and check out old Nelly. Let's see what's going on with old Nelly, man. If you watch Barbecue Pit Masters, Barbecue Pit Wars, and you saw Nelly, she a lean, mean cooking machine. This is old Nelly. She's still hot. Reverse flow situation. Offset smoker. Firebox box still got some coals in it. I don't think Mike got nothing in there. Old Nelly. Old Nelly right there. She getting ready to get.
What's that, y'all?
She getting ready to get fired back
All right,
up.
come on back.
Old Nelly getting fired back up, y'all.
Let that door stay open.
All hickory. You can already smell it, boy. That hickory good and seasoned.
Yeah, I'm gonna let
There
that door
it is.
stay open.
Chicken right there, y'all. Yes, sir. Chicken. Chopped chicken. Look at them baby back ribs. Look at them ribs, y'all. This is what your barbecue plate supposed to look like, man. Got that beef. That's that point right there. Nice and tender. You don't need no teeth to eat that beef. Look at that. Y'all see it? Look at that. Look at that. Look at that baby back right there, man. Look at that. Yes, sir. No sauce needed. Look at that. That's what I'm talking about right here. Y'all better come on down here. Y'all. Y'all see?
Pork sandwich.
Got that pork sandwich.
They gonna try to pick it up. They try to pick that up, man.
Man. Yes, sir.
Oh, he said,
That's it right there, y'all. That's king of barbecue right there, man. That brisket. Look at that smoke ring on that mother. Mike cutting it fat side up. Look at that.
yeah, that's all I like.
Look at that. Look how tender that thing is.
Yep, that's all I like to cut that motherfucker. I like to cut the fat side up.
Yes, sir.
Bam.
There it is, man. Don't y'all let that competition stuff fool y'all. That's how your brisket supposed to look right there.
Yep. Bam. You see that? Look like a pound to me, baby.
Look at that. Y'all, that's that brisket. Look at that. That's that right there, folks, is coming to the house. Look at that.
Beans, potato salad. Alright. Want y'all to come on down and check me out. Characters Famous BBQ, Michael Character, man. X306, baby, Adairsville, Georgia. About 60 minutes. North of Atlanta, 60 minutes. South of Chattanooga, baby. One and only, baby. This is the character right here. I'm telling you. When you eating that barbecue, baby, you gotta ask yourself one question, baby. Does your barbecue have that character? If you didn't get it from me, it don't.